Hello everyone and welcome back to Lounging with Lenny. My name is Lenny. So winter is coming and this episode is not related to Game of Thrones. Winter is coming and I just decided to make chicken noodle soup. So stay tuned and make sure to watch this beautiful and delicious recipe to the end. You better watch it. Today I will show you not only how to make chicken noodle soup from scratch, but also how to save couple bucks. So first let's make homemade chicken stock. Take one onion and roughly cut it. For this chicken noodle soup, you will need about 16 cups of chicken stock. So you will need to get 4 quarts of chicken stock in the store. Each quart will run you approximately $5. So it's 20 bucks right there. And then you would have to buy chicken breast or chicken thighs, whatever you prefer. So it's additional $10-12. And all other ingredients. So it's not cost efficient to buy chicken stock from the store, and plus we don't know how long it's been sitting there. 1 peeled carrot, or if you want you can leave the skin on. Roughly chop it as well. 2 celery stalks, cut it. Put all the vegetables into the bowl. Add 3 bay leaves, 5 garlic cloves, parsley stems, couple strings of thyme. Take a pot, put 1 whole chicken in, transfer all the vegetables, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of juniper berries, and pour 16 cups of cold water. Add 1 tablespoon of salt. At this point you don't want to season your stock heavily. I'll adjust it later. Put the pot on a stove, turn on the heat, bring it to a boil, reduce the heat to low, and let it simmer for an hour and a half. While the stock is on the stove, let's prep other vegetables. Take 1 onion, dice it into medium size. Please subscribe to my channel, press the bell, press notify me to get notified about my new videos. Then 1 carrot, dice it into medium size as well. And 2 celery stalks, cut it into medium size. The ends on top so you can put it into the stock. Take 3 red potatoes, peel them and also cut them into medium size. Place them into the bowl with the cold water and put it aside. Now let's cook egg noodle pasta. Season it with some salt and cook half a pound of egg noodle pasta. Make sure to cook it until it's al dente, approximately 8 minutes, or follow the instructions in the back of the package. Transfer the pasta into the tray. Make sure not to wash it. Never wash the pasta. And drizzle it with some vegetable oil. My stock is ready. Remove the chicken and let it cool down. Discard the vegetables. Strain the stock and pour it aside. Wash the pot, put it back on stove and preheat it to medium heat. Add some vegetable oil, and now let's cook the vegetables. Add onions, carrots and celery. Season it with some salt, mix it, and sweat it for 8 to 10 minutes until it becomes translucent. Make sure not to burn them. Pour the stock in. Season it with additional 1 teaspoon of salt and make sure that you use kosher salt. Do not use table salt. Increase the heat to medium-high and bring the soup to a light simmer. While the soup is heating up, let's clean the chicken. Remove the meat from bones. Discard the skin and tear the meat into bite-sized pieces. Add diced potatoes into the soup and cook it for 15 minutes. Make sure that the soup is not boiling. Meanwhile, take 1/4 of a bunch of dill, get rid of stems, and chop it finely. Take parsley, remove the leaves from the stems as well, and chop it. Put them into the separate bowls and put it aside. Potatoes are cooked, add chicken in. This is a very important step. This is where you need to adjust the seasoning to your desired taste. Let it cook for a couple minutes. Skim the fat. And it's time to plate chicken noodle soup. Take some pasta, warm it up in the soup. Put it into the soup bowl and pour the soup over it. Make sure not to put all the pasta into the soup so the pasta won't overcook and the soup won't be mushy. Decorate your chicken noodle soup with some dill and parsley. And enjoy this beautiful chicken noodle soup from scratch. Fall and winter is a perfect time for this type of soup.